Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus open and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find notifications and status bar. Now we have to tap on status bar again. And as you can see here, we've got two different options which are connected with the battery percentage and overall with the battery display. And we've got the style which we can choose, so the vertical, horizontal, loop, or do not show it at all. It's up to you. Simply tap on the option and then you can either turn on the battery percentage using this switcher, or you will be able to choose where you want to display it. It depends on the specific battery style which you will choose. Horizontal, for example, you can see that you can change the percentage, the place of it outside the battery icon, inside the battery icon, or do not show it at all. So this is basically how it works in this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.